Day 5. The Art of Not Giving a Fuck. Hi, it's your friendly neighborhood therapist, John here, and welcome to Day 5 of How to Meditate. Today is a very exciting day because today we learn a new meditation muscle, a muscle with the ability to help you not give a fuck. The more family-friendly name for this muscle is equanimity. So I had no idea what this word meant before I started to learn meditation. Equanimity is a kind of technical term in the meditation world. If I personally had to describe equanimity, I would describe it as mindfulness. Equanimity is the ability to become aware and observe things without judgment. The without judgment part is the key highlight of equanimity. Meditation expert Jeff Warren calls this inner smoothness. This probably sounds vague to you, so let me give you an example. Imagine you're standing on the street and someone steps on your shoe. A normal person will feel disrespected by this. It might respond by yelling, or in some cases, if you're black, you might choose violence. I'm just joking. I'm joking. Please don't cancel me. I'm black, so I can make these dumb jokes. The point I'm trying to make is that the usual human response would be to retaliate against someone stepping on our shoes. Equanimity doesn't respond in this typical way. With equanimity, we rise above and become bigger than what's happening to us and also what's going on in our environment. It's the skill of being able to adapt and adjust to our surroundings. It's the skill of observing without feeling the need or the pressure to respond. And it's a skill that everyone needs to know. So let's do our part and explore it. Okay, so find your meditative position. Eyes can be closed or half open, looking softly at the ground. Start by taking a few deep breaths in. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. As you take your next deep breath in, I want you to bring your attention to the feeling of that incoming breath. And then as you exhale out, there's a downward motion, like you're sinking into the cushion. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. As you start to take another deep breath in, it's like you're stretching up your spine. And then as you exhale, it's like you're breathing out any tension. Really aiming to relax your face and your jaw, easing your shoulders. Also, don't forget to loosen the worry lines on your forehead. Just let your whole body relax as you continue to listen to my voice. Equanimity begins with our attitude. Can you find a kind of relaxed easygoingness in how you're sitting right now? So you're not gonna get uptight about distractions, about any sounds, nor are you going to try to suppress anything going on inside, like thoughts or feelings. It's a kind of maturity. Like, you don't need things to be perfect. Whatever happens, happens. So, the main instruction is to take a stance of openness, open to all the sounds going on in the room, the sound of my voice, all the sensations coursing through your body, the thoughts, the feelings, they're all just passing through. Try this for a bit. Beautiful. So you're practicing being totally easygoing. It's almost like your awareness is this open container and life's just flowing through it. This is equanimity. Sometimes it just feels like relaxation. Keep meditating. Nice. So today's session's all about being open. You're letting the world pass through you. Sounds and sensations and everything. And if you notice any tension or rigidity in your body, kind of see if you can relax that part a little bit. Sometimes it's not the body that's tight, but it's our mind. Our mind tight with judgments and with worries. Maybe even worrying about whether we're getting this bizarre equanimity thing down. If you notice any of this, see if you can let that thought go. Like it's just one more thing passing us by. Equanimity is about staying open and not making a judgment. Keep going. You're doing great. So sometimes thoughts might suck you in. If they do, and you notice it, try not to suppress the thinking. You just notice it, realizing that not everything requires a response. Keep going. Okay, so for our last minute here, see if you can relax even more, even letting go of any attempt to meditate. You don't need to do anything. Just let yourself enjoy this last bit of rest. Bruce Lee said it best. Be like water, making its way through cracks. Do not be assertive, but adjust to the obstacle, and you will find a way around and through it. If nothing within you stays rigid, outward things will disclose themselves. Be water, my friend. Equanimity is the skill of understanding that not everything needs a response. And when we understand this, we are better able to trivialize life's trivialities and delegate our energy towards things that are actually important. Equanimity is a hard skill to master, so we will continue to train equanimity in every one of our sessions moving forward because it's that important to master. Go ahead and open your eyes. It was great practicing with you. Tomorrow, we enter the zone. God bless, and I will see you in tomorrow's session.